Go, help each other. Look at the shapes. It's okay. Go next one. Go next one. We're going to sort the egg to the correct nest. Alistair.
Go, Alistair.
Get one egg. Get one egg. Go get.
Alistair, are you Alistair? Sit down.
Get one egg. Where do you put? Wait for your. What color is this? It's color.
Your turn.
Red. Good job. Next. Put mo properly. Put mo. Okay, next. Hazen.
Hazen, your turn. Go to teacher.
Hazen. Get one egg. Color? What's color? Red. Next. Wait for your turn. Next. Alistair.
Alistair, go. Your turn. Go.
Get one egg. Go get one egg. Look at the color. Look my color. Where's the color? Orange. Dito here. Okay, good job. Sit down. Next, Hazen. Get one egg. Okay, good job. Next, Alistair.
Go.
Do not run. Where's the color? Where do you put? Put mo sa taas, dito. Okay, good job. Next, Alice. Next, Hazen. Get one egg. Okay, good job. Wait for your turn. Next, Alistair. No, do not remove. Do not remove. No, get one egg. No, get one egg. I know, Alistair. Get one egg. Get the color blue. No, blue egg. Get the blue egg. Blue egg. Get the blue egg. Go. Get the blue. Where do you put? Look mo yung color. Okay, good job. Next, Hazen.
Sit down. Alistair, here.
Sit down na.
Wait for your turn again.
Next, Hazen. Get one. Okay, good job. Wait for your turn. Last two. Alistair. Get one. Get the green egg. Where do you put the green? Look mo yung nest. Green nest. Nasaan yung green nest, Okay. Last one. Hazen. Okay, good job.
What sound does a cow make?
Moo, moo, moo.
What sound does a bird make? What sound does a pig make? Oink, 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 oink. What sound does a horse make? What sound does a wolf make? What sound does a snake make? Hiss, hiss, hiss. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Sound does a whale make?
Wow.
What sound does an owl make? What sound does a sheep make?
Okay, Hazen and Alistair, look. Hazen, look at teacher. What color is this? Green. Very good. How about Alistair? Look, this is color orange. Okay. Next. Oh, wait, teacher, waiting hands. Next. Hazen, look. How about this one? Color? Red. Very good. Next. Alistair, look at teacher. What color is this? Alistair, look. This is orange. Okay. Waiting hands. Wait, teacher. Next. Look, how about this color? Look, Hazen. What color is this? Purple. Good job. Last color. Look. Alistair, look. What color is this? This is color red. Red. Okay. Look at the fruits and vegetables. Look. This one, Hazen. What vegetable is this? This is eggplant. Okay. Where do you put the eggplant? What color? Go. What color is the eggplant? Color purple. Where is the color purple? Go. Go. Very good, Hazen. Look, Alistair, your turn. Look, how about this one? Look at the picture. What fruit is this? This is cherries. Wait for your turn. Alistair, turn. Go. What is the color of the cherries? Go, Alistair. No. Wait for your turn. Cherries. What is the color? Color?
Hazen, wait for your turn. Red. Where's the red? Alistair, red.
Red. This one, okay. Go put. Good job, Alistair. Next one, look. Lisa, how about this one? What fruit is this? Very good, orange. What is the color of the orange? Good job, Lisa. Alistair, look at teacher. How about this one? What is this? This is, look at teacher, apple. What is the color of the apple? Go. Wait for your turn, Hazen. Go. Go, Alistair. Red. Alistair, here. This one, red. Look. Here. Wait, Hazen. Go, put
Hazen,
one,
waiting
Alistair.
hands. Waiting hands. Wait
Go,
for
here,
your
here.
turn.
Color red. Put mo like this. Oh, then
No,
put
no.
here. Okay, good job, Alistair. Next, last color. Last one. Look, how about this one, Hazen? Watermelon. Very good. What is the color of the watermelon? Color? What color? What color? Hazen, look at your work. Go. What is the color of the watermelon? Go. Go, Hazen. Here. Green. Where is the color green? Put mo sa green. Hazen, look. Look. Hazen, green. Where is the color green? Okay, very good. Wait, okay.
Wait lang, Alistair.
Wait,
Red na tayo dun.
okay.
Small, small, small. Very small. Big, big, big. A mountain's small, small, small. An ant is very small. Big and small. Can you see? Big and small, just like me. Big and small. All around. Big and small, up and down. Big, big. The tree grows so tall. Small, small, small. A the ocean so wide. Small, small, small. A tiny fish
color is that? Color? Blue. Oh, stand up. Step. Step. Okay. Go, go, go. Step, step. Okay, good job. Oh, what color is that? It's color? Oh, blue. Where's the blue? Where's the blue? Okay, put mo, put. Okay, good job. Go to teacher class. Go. Stay.
Pero pala.
Oh, get one. Get one. Get a truck. Get. No. Hold mo, hold. Oh, step. No. Hold mo lang. Okay, good job, Alistair. Oh, step. Okay, what color? Yellow. Good job. I'll go to teacher Ella. Next, Hazen. Oh, get one. Go, go, go. Here, get one object muna. Get one an object. Oh, basket. Oh, step. Go. You can do it. Okay, go, go, go. Go. Oops. Go. What color is that? It's color? Look, look, look it. It's the color orange, no? It's the color orange. Okay, good job. Last one. Stay. Oh, no, 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 no. Get one object. Okay, step. I know, step muna. Okay. Good job, Alistair. Oh, where's the color? Red. Good job. Next. Last one. Sorry. Get one. Get one na. Get Hazen. Get one ito. Step ka. Okay. Okay. Oh, good job. Oh, what color is that? Color? Purple. Good job. Oh, Hazen and Alistair, we're going to match the cup according to its color. Hazen. Hazen, go. Yellow. Orange. What color is this? What color? Oh, where's the color purple? Here. Where's the color purple? Oh, get mo, get. Where's the color purple? Oh no. Look at the color, oh. Purple. Okay, good job. Step orange. Step orange. Blue. Green. Yellow. Oh, next, Alistair. Yes. One color.
Where's the whale?
Yellow.
No, this one's showing.
Green.
Whale.
No.
Give it to teacher. Give it to teacher. Whale.
Then orange.
Whale.
Okay. Oh, where's the color orange? Yeah. Okay, good job. Oh, put it down. Oh, step orange,
Umbrella.
green, and yellow.
Ball.
Good job. Wait for your turn.
Piano. Ball. Umbrella.
Next, Hazen.
Go to teacher.
Hazen, go. Go.
Good job.
Ano? Here. Stand up. Flower. Oh, what color? Orange. Orange. Dog. Flower. Ice cream. Green. Where is the dog? Yellow. Dog. Go to teacher, please. Dog.
Okay, your turn, go.
No! Dyan na tayo dyan! Step 1 ka. Step. Yellow. Green. Step ka sa green. Blue. Orange. What color is this?